Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block any particular website in your computer without using any software or any tools. There is a host file in your C folder where you have installed your operating system. You can make some changes in that host file and you can block any particular website to open on your computer screen. Like most of the people, like suppose if you're in office and you don't want your employees to open those kind of look any particular website, you can block that. Or suppose if you're a father and you don't want your children's to access any particular website, you can also use that for that purpose. So let's begin. Let me show you how you can do that. Make sure, sir, guys, like there is a host file in C folder. We will have to make changes in that host file, and in order to make changes in that host file, we need to access Notepad as administrator. Okay, so at the left bottom side you can see the option which says type here to search. Type in that Notepad and Notepad will come up on the top in the search best match option. So make sure you need to open this as administrator. Do not open Notepad normally. So I'm opening up as administrator. It will ask you permission, allow that. That means click on yes, then Notepad will open as a administrator. So go to the files option at the left top and open, click on open. Why open? Just because we will have to open that host file so that we can make some changes in that host file and we can block the particular website. So go to the C folder. Once you will click on open, go to the C folder. It will give you option to open any particular files or the folders. So we have to open that host file. Once you will go to the C folder, you will get some other folders which contain in folder C. Open the folder which says Windows, and once you will open this Windows folder, you will have to find System32 folder. I think it's downside. Yes, here it's a System32. Now once you will open the System32, you will have to find a folder with the name of drivers. Here you can see it's a drivers. So open this folder again. The contained folder of files in drivers will open. So open the folder which says etc, because you will find that host file in the etc folder. So make sure it's a Windows, then System32, then drivers, then open etc folder. So here you can see once you will open this etc folder, you you don't find any files, because you can see here I have there by default Windows is giving you option that you can open, or it will show you only text documents. It will not show any other documents. So you will have to make changes in that. You will have to select this all files option, then host file will come up. Select the host file, and along with that you can see there are lots of the files are coming up, but don't touch these type of websites. I mean, sorry, these files. Just select host only and click on open. Then you can see host file uh, content will open on the Notepad. So these are the script which is preely preely defined by the operating system. Don't make any changes in these scripts. Leave it as it is. Go to the last row here, press the enter key, and just type a IP address which is 127.0.0.1. This is the local host IP address, and after typing this IP address, just give a space and then type any particular website whichever you want to block. So let me show you an example. Just type in here. I'm typing YouTube. Let me show you. I'm going to block the YouTube for this time, just for the example purpose. And after typing, once you will type the IP address space with website www.youtube.com, then you have to save that file. You will have to save this host file, new host file. Make sure, guys, there should be no any mistake in the website. It should be exactly the same website. Okay, so once you will type youtube.com and try to go to the youtube.com, you can see it's not coming up here. Do you see here? When I try to open www.youtube.com, it's not coming up. Now again, if you will make changes, if I erase the website from here, let's do that, and I save it, then I saved by pressing Ctrl and S button together. Let me show you as well. I saved it and I reloaded. Let me reload this YouTube website. Now you can see YouTube is coming up. So this is the way how you can block any particular website to open on your computer. It will work on all browsers, whether you have Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. You will, whatever the changes you will make in the host file, it will apply on all the browsers you have in your computer, right? So that's all guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do share to the other peoples. Thank you so much.